Hi, I'm Craig. Welcome to the battery shop. Today we're going to be replacing the battery on this 2017 Nissan Altima. The battery is located right here under the hood and is easy to get to. Before we begin, check with the manufacturer's step-by-step instructions so you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and you can safely replace the battery in this vehicle. Let's get started. We are using a memory saver to keep the vehicle's computer's memories alive while the battery is being replaced. With gloves and safety glasses on, the first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable. You'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal and set it off to the side. Next, open the protective cap and loosen the fastener for the positive cable using a 10mm wrench. And remove the positive cable from the positive battery terminal. The next step is to remove the computer's L bracket. Loosen the fasteners using a 10mm wrench. And remove the bracket. Now remove the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket using a 10mm wrench. And then remove the bracket. Next, remove the battery's heat shield. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery, followed by the battery's heat shield. Now reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and tighten the fasteners. The next step is to reinstall the computer's L bracket. And tighten the fasteners. The next step is to reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal, but don't pound the terminal clamps on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And tighten the fastener. And close the protective cover. Finally, reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal and tighten the fastener. Many late model vehicles have to have their replacement battery registered or coded with the vehicle's battery management system. Refer to the service and repair manual for your vehicle to see if this needs to be done. If so, check out our videos on how to do this. The links to them are in the video's description below.